A surprise snowstorm just hit Portland, Oregon. And I'm telling you, look at this video right here. Interstate 84 westbound is closed at I-5 in Portland. Here's a look at the slick ramp conditions where semi-trucks are trying to go up and they're sliding down. That is some scary What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Just want to give you your update today. I'm talking about Minnesota, Wisconsin, the Dakotas, Wyoming, Arizona, and of course, Oregon is dicey as heck. Go on 511, triple check. At this moment, I want to talk about Oregon because there was a storm that just kind of hit out of nowhere, and KATU2 says, prepare for a dicey morning commute after surprise snowstorm snarls Portland. The city of Portland was pummeled with snow as a surprise storm hit the region Wednesday afternoon and evening, leaving the city and surrounding areas paralyzed. More than 10 inches of snow have fallen by 11 p.m., which is a record for Portland. All that snow and ice will make driving Thursday morning challenging and treacherous, it says. One message that was echoed by Portland Bureau of Transportation and Oregon Department of Transportation and just about every state and local agency: if you don't need to travel Wednesday night or Thursday, don't. So I want to show you guys this right here. Basically, these semi-trucks were trying to go up a ramp and were sliding down. It is icy as heck, and I'm telling you, if you're in the Oregon area and you don't have to get where you need to go, I mean, just park it. If you don't have the skills to drive in the snow, just park it. Mutha Truckers, comment down below, but I just want to give you this information to let you know what's going on out there. If you are in a state or city right now and the roads are closed, let us know where you're at so that other truck drivers can read this. Put the date, the time, the highway you're on, so that others can get that 511. Mutha Truckers, comment down below.